So today I'm going to take you step by step on how you can fund your Google account effectively from Nigeria using your Naira card. We know that Nigeria is restricted from funding Google account with Naira. So therefore, for you to be able to run ads on Google, you must have a dollar card. So today I'm going to be revealing to you the simple truth or the simple steps how you can actually fund your Google account without using a dollar card. So stay back on this video. Let's dive in. First, you need to launch your Chrome browser and access this platform called AdPay. So I'm just going to go into AdPay. I'll hit the enter key. Then it opens up like that. So the first thing you're going to do is to create an account. So creating the account, get an account with AdPay. You're going to get this email from AdPay by Mercury. It's going to ask you to activate your account now. So all you need to do is to click on this link, and then because I've used it in the past, it might actually tell me that the link I'm trying to access is not supported. Say email that blah 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 is not supported. Reason because it's been used in the past. So let's go. So after doing that, you're going to be able to it will ask you to log in into your app. So click on login. Now remember, login details I'm going to be using are the login details that I provided when I was creating the account. So just click on login. So it's going to log me in. So I'm into my account now. From here, the next thing you're going to see in your account is going to ask you to fund your wallet. So to fund your wallet, the first thing you're going to do after funding your wallet is to not ask you to create your ads account, because AdPay is going to create an ads account that you're going to be using for your Google ads for you, and that ads account will be funded in Naira. So let's dive in. Let's see how that is being done right here from the AdPay. So step number one, all right here. So I'm going to click on fund wallet. We have two methods of funding your wallet. Please try as much as possible to choose the instant funding account. So I'll click on this. So I'm going to click on continue. So the next thing you're going to do is to put in the amount you want to fund. Note for first timers, the minimum amount you can actually fund is 100,000 naira. So, but for me, that I've used this account severally, I've paid close to 500,000 naira into this account or more. So I can actually fund it with 50,000 naira. So your first funding job is 100,000 naira. What subsequent funding can be 50,000 naira and above, where you can't go less than 1,000 naira. So let's dive in. So I'm going to do 100,000 for the sake of those that have been funding the account for the very first time. So I'll click continue. Ask me. So when you do that, it's going to bring up different options for you to make payment. If you want to make a transfer, you transfer to this account. Please, this account number should not be saved because the account number varies. The account number varies, so it rotates. So please don't save this account number because it's a one-time account. You cannot use that it expires. You understand? So if you're not comfortable with transfers, you can use your card, use your bank transfers, and immediately you make the transfer, the money is going to be dropped into your account. You understand? All right. So I'm not funding this account now. I'm just taking you through the step by step on how you can actually do that. I funded. Immediately you fund your account, you're gonna get the money here. The money is gonna appear here. So what is the next thing you're gonna do? By default, AdPay is gonna pop a new screen is gonna pop up asking you to create an ads account. Now, if you don't see that screen, all you need to do is to click account. When you click account, you're gonna click on create new account. Now, currently, the only type of account that's available for you to create is a single ads account. So the next thing you're gonna put in your name, maybe I just want to put name applicant, spelling, Clement. Right. Now, preferred email, please. When it comes to your preferred email, it's very important that you know that your preferred email is the email associated to your YouTube account into, because that email address is what AdSpace is going to use to create a Google Ads account for you. I hope you got that. So it's very important that you go back to your YouTube channel and check, or go back to your phone and check the actual email address that you want to use for your Google Ads, and then preferably the one associated your YouTube account. So first thing is you come in here. How much do you want to transfer? Note you have 100,000 here in your AdPay. It's not a must that you have to transfer everything into your Google Ads account. Now your AdPay is more or less like your Nigerian wallet that holds your money for you. And anytime you want to use to run ads, you transfer it to your Google Ads account, which is going to be created by AdPay using this your email address. So let's go. Let's assume out of my 100K, I want to transfer 80K, I want to transfer 80,000 naira, 800,000 naira. Then the start date. When do I want this money to be activated? When do I want this money rather to be transferred to my ads account? If I wanted to be transferred today, all I need to do is put in the actual day. What's today? Today happens to be 23rd, which is Tuesday. And then when do I want the money to be sent back to my ads? For example, let's assume I didn't run the ads with the account I decided not to run the ads, or I did not exhaust the money with ads, and I want want Google Ads to send the money back into my ads, which is a very nice setup for ads. It's a very good one. So let's assume I want this account to run until maybe 2026, maybe February 2026. I'm fine with that. Let's say I want the money, a balance to be sent back to my account inside of February 2026 if I don't exhaust it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on what save and continue. That automatically an ads account will be created for you. Now it's actually showing me it's not highlighted because there's no fund in this account currently. So immediately this is done, an ads account will be created for you and an email will be sent to you. So let's pause the video and check how that email appears, so that when you see the email, you actually know that this is the email that came from AdPay for you. So I'm going to open up. So when I open up my email address, I'm going to get this email of acceptance, accept invitation to access Google Ads account. I'm going to do is to click on accept invitation. So when I click on accept invitation, which I've done in the past, I'm just showing you what exactly you're going to see. So it's asking me to sign in because I actually signed out of the actual Google account, which this is linked to. So this is the Google account that was linked to this particular email. So when I log in, automatically Google account being created. A Google Ads account is being created for me. And then if you notice, all are in Naira. All are in Naira. So that makes it very easy for you to be able to run your ads. So anytime I want to pay my ads, all I need to do is to go back to my ads pay and fund that particular account. So let's check out different ads accounts. Let's different ads accounts as you consider this, the same name with this. You consider right. So that's very simple step-by-step method of actually adding funds to your Google account. Now,